Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Redux Toolkit for React Native State Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Redux Toolkit for React Native State Management, start by creating a new React Native project if you haven't done so. Open your terminal and run the command npx react native init your project name. Once the project is created, navigate into the project directory. Open the project in your favorite code editor. To install Redux Toolkit and React Redux, run the command npm install at redux-toolkit React Redux. Next, create a new directory named store within the src folder of your project. Inside the store directory, create a new file called store.js. In the store.js, import configure store from Redux Toolkit using the line import configure store from @redux-toolkit. Now, create a slice by importing createSlice with import createSlice from @redux-toolkit. Define your slice with the createSlice function, providing a name, an initial state, and reducers. For example, you can create a counter slice with the initial state set to 0 and reducers for incrementing and decrementing the counter. Now, export the actions generated by the slice. After defining the slice, create the store using configure store, passing in an object with your reducer. Export the store as the default export of the file. Next, open your main entry file, typically app.js. Import the provider from React Redux using import provider from React Redux. Import the store you just created with import store from ./src/store/store. Wrap your main application component with the provider component and pass in the store as a prop. This connects your entire application to the Redux store. Now, to use your Redux state in a component, import useSelector and useDispatch from React Redux. Use the useSelector hook to access the state from the Redux store. Use the useDispatch hook to create a dispatch function for your actions. You can now dispatch actions to update the state and read the updated state in your components. Ensure you test your application to verify that the Redux setup works as expected. With this setup, you've successfully integrated Redux Toolkit for state management in your React Native application. Congratulations on completing the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.